Hey y'all, Blanche here. How's it going today? Well, this video here is mainly for the people who are going to be in Stage Door Inc.'s production of Sweeney Todd. I thought I would do a very quick tutorial on the makeups that we're going to be using for probably mostly the children and the chorus and the background people and such. I'll be doing some further tutorials, or I should say future tutorials on like the leads, but this is what pretty much everybody is going to be getting. Let me give you a list of things that you're going to want. You're going to want 2 foundations, and you're going to want a theatrical foundation, like a Ben Nye foundation, like this, a cream foundation, or I'm going to use Kryolan TV paint sticks. These are really good. They're heavily perfumed. You're going to need 2. One that's your actual skin tone, and one that's like a shade lighter than your skin tone. You're going to need a brown cream. I'm going to use Character Shadow. Most of you can use Character Shadow. If your skin is darker than mine, or you don't think this will show up on you, get a darker brown. I know Ben Nye makes some darker brown shadow or creams. You're going to use Rich Suede eyeshadow. All of these products can be obtained at Southern Imports here in Houston, or Frankel's, or anywhere else that sells Ben Nye makeup. You're going to want neutral set powder. This is a translucent powder. You're going to need sponges, a couple brushes. For the creams, you're going to want a synthetic brush. This one is called an eyeshadow brush, and it's synthetic. You can get these anywhere. They're usually called concealer brushes. You can get them at Walmart, Target, wherever. And you're going to want this fluffy eyeshadow brush. This one is called a crease brush. You can get these at Target. They're $1.99. And powder puff. I think that's just about it. Okay, let me show you how to do this. You're going to take your foundation that's the color of your skin, and you're going to apply it lightly. You don't have to do this like a whole lot, just everywhere. Now, mind you, I didn't shave, so if you've got facial hair, it might stick weird. Blend it in. I'm doing a super light coat, lighter than I would if I were applying my drag makeup. This is just to put something on my skin. That is my cat, Mr. Bentley. Bentley, quit. He's clawing at my chair. I love cats, by the way. Okay. Now I'm going to take the lighter foundation and I'm going to apply it to my highlight areas. So let me show you. I'm going to apply it just to the middle of my forehead, down my nose, on my cheek, or on my chin, and a little bit on my cheeks. I'm going to take the same sponge and I'm going to blend it in. I'm trying to keep, for most people, I'm trying to keep this makeup easy to apply. I think I need a bit more highlight, so I'm going to apply just a bit more. Because I designed the makeups to be sort of light, like pale. Okay. Now we are ready to powder. Take my Ben Nye neutral set, powder puff, and beat yo face. So pound it in there, because once you're on stage, you are going to sweat and your makeup will melt away if you don't powder it really well. Okay, once it's powdered, take a, I didn't mention this, take a powder brush. I'm sure you've got one. You can get one cheap anywhere. Just brush off the excess. I will do my best to have some extra tools on hand in case we need them. Now I'm going to take my character shadow cream, synthetic brush, and I'm going to apply it around my eyes. Make sure and get it in the corner of your eye and blend it upward towards your eyebrow. Now, it's usually not a good idea to leave creams unpowdered, so I would not suggest not powdering this, but we'll do that in our next step. Okay, I'm going to put this under my eyes as well. Look at your face and decide where the hollow under your eye, like how far down it goes. And then take it that far down. Now, I'm not going to be editing this video like I do my usual videos, just so that you have an idea of how long this is actually going to take you. You probably won't do it as quickly as I'm doing it the first time, but you'll get better. You know, I say that. Oh, and by the way, you have to make weird faces. It's just like, it's mandatory. I'm sure the ladies out there who are used to applying makeup know that you have to make a weird face when you're doing your eyes, and especially your mouth. Try to get this blended well. You can even use your fingers to help blend it some if you find that the brush isn't blending well for you, because we want it to look like your eyes are sunken in, not that you've got like blackness smeared around your eyes. Okay, now after you've got the character shadow around your eyes, then we're going to take the rich Suede eyeshadow, which is just a matte dark brown. If you've got a dark brown eyeshadow already on hand, you can use this and apply this just to like your actual eyelid and blend it upward, fading it out. just to give it a little extra darkness. And dust just a little bit underneath your lower lash line. Now, I had originally done like some, didn't blend well. Okay. Make sure your foundation is well blended. We're going to do a little bit on your lips. I'm going to take the character shadow as well, again, or whatever brown cream you're using, and apply it just to your lips. Make sure and do this after your eyes, because you shouldn't be using things on your mouth and then going to your eyes. And this does not have to be perfect. We're just wanting a darkness there. We're not wanting it to look like you've got like brown lipstick on. So smudge it out. And now I'm going to take, with the same brush, wipe it off on a tissue or something, and your lighter foundation, purse your lips really tight, like you're going to kiss somebody. And then relax. And this makes your lips look dry and chapped. Now you're going to want to powder this as well. So take just a little bit of powder on your powder puff. And then dust away the excess. Okay, that's pretty much it. This is our Sweeney Todd makeup for chorus and background people, and well, whoever else wants to do it. I will be back very soon with more tutorials. Bye guys. Love you all.